Imagine turning your trading frustrations into consistent wins, all with one simple tool. This indicator is your shortcut to trading smarter, faster, and more profitably. Today, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can start using it to take control of your trading. This isn't just another trading gadget. It's a fully loaded system designed to do what most traders spend years trying to perfect. It identifies buy and sell opportunities, provides precise stop-loss and take-profit levels, and gives you a clear market overview, all on one chart. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, or stocks, this indicator adapts to any market and time frame. If you've ever felt lost staring at charts or entered trades only to watch them fail, this is your solution. It eliminates guesswork and gives you the confidence to act on high-probability setups. Forget relying on emotions or gut feelings. This tool makes your trading decisions smarter and more strategic. Now, let's look at how to actually use the indicator. First of all, you want to open TradingView and then search for Swift Algo in the Indicators tab and add it to your chart. Once added, your chart will look like this. You can immediately see buy and sell signals, take profit and stop loss levels, and two important features, but you will quickly find out what they are useful for. Trading with this indicator is extremely simple. After you see an entry signal, check the trend table if the market trend aligns with your trade. If yes, you enter and then wait for the price to hit your take profits. Now let's look at a few real-life trades. First one was on Ethereum on a 30-minute chart. The indicator gave us a buy signal, so we checked the trend table if the market was bullish, and it was. So we set up our take profits and stop loss exactly how the indicator suggested and entered the position. And it turned out to be a beautiful 3-to-1 risk to reward trade. Now, let's flip to a short trade. This one happened on Bitcoin on a 1-hour chart. A sell signal appeared, so we checked the trend table if the market was bearish, and it was. So again, we set up our take profits and stop loss and entered the position. And after a while, the trade hit our profit target. But before you'll jump to trading with this indicator, you need to know this crucial tip. The thing in the top right corner is a win rate dashboard, and it shows you the win rate of your current setting and the win rate of a 1 backtest set. In the setting, you can find 6 backtest sets. So make sure to go through all of them and pick the one with the highest win rate. Now you know how to effectively use this indicator, so make sure to try it out for yourself by going to swiftalgo.net or clicking the link in the description. And as a thank you for watching this far, here's a discount code for you. At checkout, use the code SWIFTTRADES20 for a 20% discount. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.